Hello everyone, so let me just show you a faster way of doing the pulling the views. So if we go and draw for example, a cylinder and start at 0, 0, let's make it 5 and let's go up 10. Then let's go here now, make a cone right there from the center, 5 as well. Let's go up 10 and then let's go draw a random cylinder from 0, 0. Oops. Box from the center. Let's do 0, 0. Box, center. There we go. Let's make it 30 by 30. And let's go up a bit like so. So we have this random shape that I made. Go ahead and let's union it together by pressing union. Select everything and enter. So now it's all together. So I showed you today about the Solview and Soldraw. Now let me show you here. Let's go use a different format just to show you. Now, before I would show you modeling Solview and Soldraw, but now let's show you a faster way. Layout, and you notice that layout tab only comes active when you're not in the model view. In the model view, you notice it's not there. So if we go to A or B or any of the model layouts, you see that we have a new one called layout. You click on it and you press base. Base for model or inventor. In this case, we're just going to use model, and right away it chooses the front view for you. If you want to change the view, I could go to the top view, I could go to the bottom view, I could go to the front view, I could even do current if I want. In this case, I want the front view. I'm going to click here. Right away you notice you could change the scale, orientation, whatever you want to do you're able to change. If you're content with it, you press enter. Now it's asking you to specify location of the next one. So the top view from the right view, which is identical to the left view, the front view, so we're not going to do it. I'm going to show you how to do this section right after. And then there are projection in the corner. Press enter. And there's our views with the hidden lines already showing. Now if we wanted to have a section here, look how simple it is. Go to section. Let's do a full section. Click on this icon here, because that's the view you want. And I'll go right down the middle. So you show you. Press F8 for a straight line. Accept, and you could go from this direction or this one. I'll do it over here. And right away you notice that you have more options again. This time I have the option for annotation. So click annotation, and I'm gonna go use identifier, and it's telling me A is the name. Press enter if you're okay with it. Label, I could have it show the label or not show it. I'll show you what the label is, and you could say yes or no if you want it. And then you press enter to accept. Enter again, and you notice I have a section with the label here. If I want to change the label, I could always double click on it, select everything, and change it to 0.05. Just as an example, it's pretty small that. Just to show you, and I'll move it up. And I have the one over here. I could also have done a detail. It's very similar. Detail, circular. I'll take this part here to show you how it connects. Enter on the view. Make the circle you want. And I could put the detail up here. Enter. And there's the detail that I just took out. So that was the way I want to show you today about how to, a faster way of doing it actually. So if I remove this view and this one by accident, and say I want to project the view again, all I have to do is just do project, grab the view I want, and I could take it back and have another view here. See, if I don't want that, I could get rid of it, or I could even change the scale here from the icons. If I go to this one here and I change the scale, for example, to 1/2, everyone's going to change to 1/2. If I change it to, sorry, 1 to 2. If I change it to a, let's say 1 to 20, all the views automatically update by themselves. We see that we could change the ones that we want to do. Go here, I could change the scale, custom from it. I could update the view. I can edit the view. If I want to change the hatch, I go to this one. Let's go erase this again. Let's go to section, but this time let's do a, I'll do the full section. You could play with the half. They're the same, very similar to each other. click the object, you choose the point you want, and you go down the middle. You project to the right, accept it, and there it is. If I were to click on the one of the sections and I say edit view, so again, I could change the scale here. I could go to edit view and I could play show the hatch, remove the hatch. Identify, show the label on or off. You can control all that. Okay, if I want to change the hatch, I click on hatch. It says yes or no. It's going to choose a material for you. And there it is, guys. That is actually the fastest way that you can do the views, and it's very similar to when we do Inventor and SolidWorks. Thank you so much.